Hi guys, welcome in this new vlog. I'm in my hometown in Tarvisiano, over a pretty famous place called Fusina Lakes. I'm with Simone and we are in the middle of the fog because we saw there are some low clouds in the valley, so we're trying to get out of them and maybe shoot some drone videos. I just got my new Mavic 2 Pro, so I want to try to create some drone stuff. And we should get up around 400 meters to be on the level of the fog, so let's hike some more and hope to get out. Alright, we're hiking for like 1 hour and the sky looks kinda bright, so that means that we're almost at the level of the fog. So probably 15 minutes we're gonna be out of it and we can check out the view. We reached the viewpoint. We're not out of fog, but we're almost on the level. So I think we could even stop here and fly the drone from here. Sunset is done. It was pretty cool to fly over the low clouds with the drone. I think it was a pretty successful first flight.
Voglio fare, arrivo ad Oslo, sto 2 giorni ad Oslo.
Alright, back at the car. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog and see you in the next adventure.